Hi, so I'm just going to show you how this virtual circuit construction kit works that's on the Firefly page. It is very self-explanatory, but just in case, let me just show you how it goes. If you go into the lab, you have a series of components that you can add to the circuit. There are a variety there, and you can work your way through. I personally prefer to practice using the circuit symbols, which you can toggle to there. And then you just drag them onto the screen. So if we put a battery there and a light bulb, and then we can connect with wires. The wires are pretty good at gripping onto the different components, and as soon as you've got a complete circuit, you can see the electrons flowing round, or if you'd rather see the conventional current, you can toggle onto that. You can see it flows in the opposite direction. What's neat is that you can also consider the effects of the different components on the circuit. So, for example, if we take out that wire simply by clicking delete and add another battery and then complete the circuit again, we can see now that there is so much energy flowing that the electrons are flowing much more rapidly, and we also have a fire. Not so good. So maybe we solve that problem. However, we can clearly see that more energy in the circuit with more batteries. Now, what you can also do is add meters to the circuit. There is a voltmeter and an ammeter. We're going to go with an ammeter today. We'll use the voltmeter in coming lessons. And the ammeter is placed in series in the circuit, so you can place the point wherever you wish. In a series circuit like this one, you will find that wherever you put it, the current will stay the same. So at the moment, there's no current flowing, but all we need to do is reconnect the circuit. And there we can see a current of 20 amps, rather a lot. So instead, let's remove one of those wires, remove one of those batteries, and go back to a single battery for a single bulb. We can find that the current is now 10 amps. So by reducing the amount of energy available, we've also reduced the amount of current that's flowing. We can also look at what happens when we add more bulbs by adding another bulb in here, and again reconnecting the circuit. And by adding more bulbs, we've increased the resistance, more on that later, and we've got a current which is now only 5 amps. So you can have a play with this. You can create series and parallel circuits, and you can look at the effects of different devices in the circuits, and we can do more with this in the lessons to come. Have fun.